gonna make some Taro burger. In America called yam or yami in Brazil. So this is the root, it's a big root, big taro. We did a very good harvesting this year, and we're gonna make some burgers. So for that, we can steam. This can be steamed or boiled, any your choice. So we wanna make soft, right? So we're gonna to mash these and then mix some onion, and I'm gonna put some nuts as well. And I choose today to put some cumin with coriander, some turmeric, and some paprika. Yeah, so this one I like to toast a little bit, as well the nuts. So toast a little bit, get a little bit brown, and the same with the onion. So you caramelize the onions, make a little bit more sweet, and it is just a different nature, have the onion cooked or raw. So we're gonna mix all this together and then make some paros and cook, and then it's ready. So after I mashed a little bit this taro, now it's time to mix all the ingredients. And you can be very creative and add any spices or nuts for your preference. I'm gonna mix the onion here, the nuts, spices. I add in cumin and coriander, and then some turmeric. I could let that away, and some paprika and some salt. And mix all. Gonna add 1 egg as well, so helps to not fall apart the burger.
Por onde começar? Não acesso à cultura ou a força de lutar. Sentindo a brisa, o vento que só tem na beira-mar. Fogueira e violão na praia pra quem tem risco.
Now we're gonna make some patties. This is fun to make. You can make with your kids and have a whole family making patties. And this one is very good. You can also freeze. This freeze very well. So you make a lot once and freeze and just grab little by little for every meal. I'm gonna fry some too. I have the pan heating. Let me add some oil. Just a little bit oil, just to not stick. Don't need to be a lot oil, because everything is cooked. So you just brown a little bit each side. When I freeze, I like to put a whole thing in the freeze like this, and then when it's already firm, I put in bags and take it out.
Somos sem barreiras, música universal. Vocal e SP, isso é multicultural. Cultura de rua, compromisso social e a união de estilos que é primordial. Quebrando as barreiras e driblando as estatísticas. Com hip hop como um estilo de vida. Contrariando seu conceito machista com mais puro sentimento de em cada batida.
And we have a very healthy meal ready to go. The burgers here we like to serve with some salad and also some kimchi. And it's really nice when you put it like in the top, make a bed with some cabbage. And if you like the bread, you can add some in the buns. And that will be ready to go, really healthy meal with taro, right? So if you like, please give a thumb up and subscribe right now. Aloha!
A cada passo vou trilhando meu caminho. Estrada de sonhos com flores e espinhos. Entre ruas e vielas encontrei minha essência pra somar nesse mundão e fazer a diferença.